Sailing. Sailing down the coast of Mexico, cruising through Acapulco. All she wanted to do was have fun for a day in La Paz or Mazatlan. I'm sitting crying on the beach, soaking up every ray of sun. Nothing else seemed to be out of reach. Strumming these chords as they come along. Not a care anywhere in sight. No trouble on the horizon. I'm happy living in the sunlight. Delighted finally again. Finally delighted again. 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 You can see it in her look. Tell by the look in her eyes. Even by the way that she walks, she waved goodbye to our times. And I've never seen her look this good. Pressure free if it's her well. No, I'm doing everything that I should. Starry sky from the sky and yell. Not a care anywhere inside. No troubles on the horizon. I'm mommy living in the sunlight. That finally again. Finally delighted again. Again. Finally delighted again.